Well, that is good. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Wendy and this is the Baker's Loft. Today we are making what I call adult chocolate chip cookies. Sorry, no alcohol in these, but there is a special ingredient. These cookies are delicious, they're simple to make, I know you'll love them. But you're gonna have to stick around and watch to see what that special ingredient is.
We're going to start by making my traditional chocolate chip cookie recipe. I'm adding 2 sticks of unsalted butter that I've let come to room temperature, and I'm going to cream the butter for about 1 minute on medium speed. Time to add our sugars to the butter. I have a 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar, and next I'm going to add 1½ cups of packed brown sugar. I love using brown sugar. It adds a lot of extra flavor, as well as making your cookie really soft and chewy. Next, we'll add 2 eggs that I also have at room temperature. And we're going to mix everything on medium-high until the mixture is smooth and fluffy. Don't forget to add your 2 teaspoons of vanilla, like I almost did. Let's mix together our flour, our 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now I use 3 cups of regular all-purpose flour in my dry blend. I find that I get a much thicker cookie when I do this, which is what I love. And here's my special ingredient, 2 tablespoons of ground instant coffee. And I'm just going to add this right into the flour mixture, mix it all in. Adding this to your chocolate chip cookie dough gives the dough a beautiful coffee flavor, and it's going to go so well with the chocolate chips. You'll see what I mean. Your dough will come out slightly darker than a normal chocolate chip cookie, but that's because of the addition of the coffee, and it makes for a really pretty cookie. In go your chocolate chips. This is 2½ cups. And it's time to start scooping. I'm using a large cookie scoop here, and this will get you about 24 large, delicious cookies. We're going to bake these cookies at 350 for about 15 minutes. Every oven is different, so maybe check them at 12 minutes, but the extra bake time is because they're so big. See you in about 15 minutes.
While my cookies are baking, I scooped out the rest of the cookie dough and I put it on a cookie sheet with parchment paper like this, and I put it in the freezer. And these are kind of frozen, and I'm gonna put them in the Ziploc bag. I didn't want to make all 24 cookies. Actually, I got 25 out of this bag. And whenever I want cookies, however many I want, 1, 6, a dozen, just pop these out, put them on a cookie sheet with parchment paper, and bake as normal at 350 from frozen.
Oh, yummy! Leave your cookies on the cookie sheet for about 5 minutes and then transfer them to a cooling rack to finish cooling completely. I'm often asked the question, how do you get your cookies so round and professional looking? And the answer to that is use a cookie scoop, whether it's a large one or a medium-sized one, and don't pat your dough balls down. If you follow my recipe, your cookies will come out crispy around the edges and then soft and chewy in the middle.
Now that is good. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really hope you make these cookies. They're easy, they're delicious, and I know you won't be disappointed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.